Street's dirty secret just leaked, and the twist is shocking. 95% of traders are losing money because they're completely blind to market context. My name is JD. I am a technical analysis strategist. I teach struggling traders how to pass prop firm challenges and increase their overall trading performance. Check out this comment from Nam, who said trading had been hard, but they found this channel and was able to get a $600 withdrawal. Congratulations to you, Nam. If you are having a hard time understanding price charts, you are not alone. I have a free guide that is helping struggling traders with each download. Hey, scan this QR code or just comment below. Give me the guide and I'm going to send you finally funded. If you don't know the market context, it's like driving blindfolded on a highway. Pure suicide. You might get lucky once, but eventually you'll crash and burn. Most believe a perfect chart pattern guarantees profit. The reality, without context, that pattern is just random noise. Trading is about understanding what's happening beneath the surface. Imagine the market as a classroom. Price action is reading individual words, while market context is understanding the whole story. To truly get it, you need to zoom out and see the bigger picture. That's where market cycles come in. They're the heartbeat of every financial market. 4 phases repeat endlessly: accumulation, markup, distribution, and decline. The amateur jumps on a breakout during distribution when smart money is already exiting. The pros recognize which phase we're in and we trade accordingly. We know whether to ride the trend or prepare for the reversal. This isn't just about patterns, it's about understanding the story behind the price. It's like being a weather expert. Knowing the season, location, and upcoming storms helps you avoid getting caught in unexpected downpours. Traders who master market context can filter out noise, adapt to changing conditions, and consistently outperform. The difference between the 5% who succeed and the 95% who fail is in luck. It's understanding the why behind every move. Trading is not easy. Every little tip helps. My free guide, Finally Funded, is full of them. Scan this QR code or comment below. Give me the guide. Now it's time to put in some work. Study. Roll it. Today is September 22nd, 2025. This will be our work study lesson for today. So as always, we would just start at the session open. And right here at the session open, let me get a marker up. Show you guys something here. So right here at the session open, this is our dotted line. This starts the session. So right here we opened up and we just kind of slowly trended down. There was really no trades here. Well, I take that back. Once you make this low, this is a push up, first entry. Push, 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 push. You may have went here. That was a terrible signal candle, so you should not have, right? But if you skip that signal candle, then it comes up, but then you get this one here. This would be a terrible second entry short, but if that's how you was reading it, then I could kind of understand. But then you got this high, lower high. This needed to be a signal candle, but it didn't break lower, didn't break through the 21 MA. So again, you just may not go. And you're gonna be mad because that one, bam. You know, if you don't go, you're gonna be quite upset. And then this here is a low, so this is just a first entry, so you don't get to go there. So you just missed this run, and it's unfortunate, right? But we had a key entry level right here. So let me change the color there too. What we have with this key entry level right here, this is a breakout, right? Clean. But look, it came right back. So that breakout failed, okay? Then we tried to go lower again. Push up, it failed. Then we tried to go lower again. Push up, it failed. Then we tried to go lower again right here. Look, push up, it failed. And now we got a low, push up, higher low, and we're breaking higher. If we break higher than this little range here, I think we're gonna come back to the top. Range fade. This is a range fade play, right? We already tried to break out and it failed. When the market tries to do something 2-3 times, really if it tries to do it twice and fails, it's probably gonna go the other direction really hard. So since we're in a range, we tried to break out 3 times. More than likely, I'm saying we're gonna get a range fade here and go to the other side of this range. And I mean, we're talking 23 points. That's a nice run. I mean, if we were to get in and make it all the way to the top, that's a 23-point run. That's why I love ranges. You know exactly what's possible. And you can do a great risk reward off that, right? So I could risk 2, 3, 4 points if I know I'm finna go for 23. So anywho, that's where we are. Let's clear the screen. And look, we are heading up, right? And so, I mean, this time I'll have to go before the open. We're going to open. Oh, we got a while to go. Ooh, I hope it don't trigger. But I just cannot take it. It's a range fade. We've tried to go lower once, twice, 3 times, in my opinion. If I just draw a line through here, I mean, this thing has tried to go once, twice, 3 times. We draw it right through there. That's how many times we tried to go short so far. 3. It can't do it. Now let's see if we can find some history here. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. So we actually traded up into this range. That would lead me to believe we may break out the top. Hold on a second. Let me keep going back. Did we trade into it? We kind of was already in it. Oh. Kind of look like we've been struggling to stay in this area. Well, nah. We've been in this area a long time. See, the market is consolidating here. They consolidate here. There's going to be a big move this week. Maybe a big move this week. So look, we got the top here. And look, I mean, it couldn't go a point above it. Look at that touch. Look at that key entry point hold. Look at that key entry point hold, people. I love the key entry point. Look at that hold. Look at them levels. Whew. Knowledge is power. All right. So again, I mean, I can't. It tried once. It tried twice. It tried 3 times. Really, this is 4. We tried to go short 4 times, y'all. I mean, hey. So that is the work study lesson for today. I think we are going to go higher. We're going to just let this boy do what it do. And, you know, if it click in, I'll be back. But yeah, I believe if we break higher, it's going to be a range fade, and the target is the other side of the range. We'll be back. Here it come, y'all. If it triggers, this is going to be a range fade. I put my stop under. Man, I put it on this 21 EMA for sure, and under this key entry point. Hopefully the EMA would, you know, move closer here by the time it triggers, and we put our stop under this KEP line. Though that's going to be the safest area. You know why it's safe? Because I mean, it's safe. Why is it safe, Jay? Tell me why it's safe, man. All right. Well, I can't get. I would if I can get my marker back up. I'll tell you guys why it's safe. I mean, look, we've been trying to go lower. Let's look at it this way. Let's look at it this way. All right. Teaching continues. So check this out. We have confidence that this is probably going to go up because, I mean, it stopped right here, right? What I'm trying to say is for prices, this thing was trucking. This thing was trucking. So for prices to just hit a wall like this, let's just say that, man, there must have been like maybe, let's just say there were 20 sale market orders, right? But then when it got down here, it ran into 3,000 buy limit orders, which is liquidity. Prices was trucking down, hit this liquidity and hit the brick wall because there's more buy orders sitting here than there were sell orders. And that shot the market right back up into this area. That's all that just happened. Now, and then the market tried it again. And the buyer said, we still here. Then the sellers tried it again. And the buyer said, we still here. And then the sellers tried it again. And the buyers are like, we're still here. We're still here. Thanks for the orders to fuel the move. Now we're going to get we probably have enough fuel now with all these sellers that are about to be trapped to start an up move. And then once it hits the sellers that's here and here, bang. That's how you get the bang. Okay. as we move higher, sellers are trapped. People who went short all through here are trapped. And man, it's people who went short right here that they praying and market drop at the open. It's some people. It's some people I guarantee you went short right here, right here. They are praying that it's somebody praying right now. They finna get stopped out right now. They praying that the market turn and they get a second leg down because they're expecting a second leg. Trend down, trend break, retesting the low is what they're trying to get. But here's the problem: trend down, trend break. It tried. Look, this is a first leg down, pull back, second leg down. It actually made the new low right here. So this down market cycle is actually over. You've already had a trend down, trend break, retest the new low. It didn't get the new low though. Anytime the market fails to do something, it's probably gonna go the other way really hard. So we gonna find out. We gonna find out. And in about 14 minutes. Look at that rejection, y'all. Try it again. Now it's staying in. Hopefully it stays in the range. It stays in the range. We have a good chance of moving higher at the open. Yep, here it comes. Oh, that's a hammer. We are in hammer up. All right, like I say, my plan, I'm gonna put my stop right here under this key entry level, under the 21 EMA, and we expect that we gonna ride this baby to the other side. If we break higher, then right here, everybody's trapped. Let's go, range fade. Countdown coming, y'all. Countdown, see what we get. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Game time, my favorite time of day. Let's push up. Let's go, push on up. Win. Keep trucking. Keep building. Good win. Good win. I mean, hey, you take the easy ones, right? Hey, you take the easy ones. That was a pretty easy call. I mean, it's a range fade. You know, if you needed to take another trade today, you just wait for prices to come back to the 21 EMA. You know, or yeah, let's get this off. You know, you want to wait for prices to come back to this 21 EMA. We're too far away. Don't enter here right now. You're too far away. It's probably gonna pull back. Your best entries are on, off, or around the 21 EMA, all right? So that was a good look, and we're about to probably keep on truck. So hey, if you wanna learn how to trade, you need to learn how to read a price chart. Just comment below, give me the guide, and I will send you Finally Funded, the free guide that is helping prop firm traders get to their very first payout. All right, so come back next week, right? Until next time, my name is JD, and as always, I wish you increase on the Sutton. Bye-bye.